Now we move on to our second type of sentences, which is related, okay, to the previous type, which is simple sentence. Let's take, okay, an example. For instance, we write, John held a party, full stop. It's my first sentence. He invited his friends. His friends. Now, what type are these? Okay, two sentences. The first one, it contains John as my hourly subject. Right. Now, second one, held a party. It contains hourly also one, right, predicate with one verb. Held is my verb. So, this one, as it contains only one subject and one predicate. Now, from now on, I'm going to use it instead of predicate, verb. One subject and one verb, predicate, sorry, containing one verb. It is simple sentence. Alright, because it consists of subject plus predicate, which contains only one verb. Good. Second one also, he invited his friends. I have he as my simple subject, and I have invited his friends. Only one predicate, which contains only one verb, which is invite. It also contains one subject plus one verb. So both of them are what? Are simple sentences. Alright, simple sentences. S plus V, okay, is simple, one. And S plus V also here is simple one. Now if I want to join them together in one sentence to form my second type of English sentences, what should I use here? Now the English, okay, use or has three ways, right, to join these, okay, two simple sentences in one complete sentence. For instance, we said, John held a party. Now here we have a kind of addition, clear, logical. Relationship between them is addition. So we write here, and he invited his friends. He invited his friends. So here, what do we have? Now previously, when they were separate, I called them what? Two simple sentences. S plus V and S plus V. This one is simple, and also this one is simple. But these, okay, a simple sentence, when it becomes a part, right, a part, okay, of another sentence, it is now called a clause. A clause is what? Is a part of a sentence like this, part sentence, which contains the structure of S plus V. Clear? S plus V. Now, John had a party, is my first clause, and he invited his friends, is my second clause, because it contains also S plus V, subject and verb. Now, is this clause complete or not? Can I stop in it? John had a party. Full stop. It's correct. Complete and meaningful. And the other one, he invited his friends. Full stop. Complete or not? Complete. And also meaningful. It can be, okay, independent by itself. Alright. So in English, these parts or this part of a sentence, which consists of subject plus verb, and it is meaningful by itself and complete in meaning, is called an independent clause. It is called an independent clause. Independent clause. Alright. Now in this example I have this clause independent plus what? Another what? Another independent clause. Now how are they joined? Because we have what we call two types of clause in English. We have the dependent and the independent. We'll know later, okay, the second type of clause. Now, just now, that's okay. Whenever you have part of a sentence which contains subject and the verb, and it has a complete meaning, it is called an independent clause. It means you can stop in it. Alright. Now, these two clauses, which are independent, how are they joined? They are joined by and. Which comes after a comma. What's and? And, okay, is called a conjunction of coordination. Clear? Because it coordinates, it links, it joins the two independent clauses, alright, in one sentence to form us a new type of sentences with these two independent clauses. So from now on, we'll no longer call them simple sentence and simple sentence. We are now having what? An independent clause and also another one which is also independent clause joined in one sentence by means of and, conjunction of coordination. While they are separate here, separate, we call it simple sentence. Now, this type of sentences, which consists of two independent clauses, joined by one, because we have many, by one of the conjunctions of coordination is called what? A compound sentence, which is my second type. Alright, my second type. Now, we have many other conjunctions of coordination, which are gathered by grammarians in one word or in one acronym, which is what? Fanboys. Which is fanboys. Fanboys. Now the F refers to for, right? The A refers to and, for, to express cause or reason, and to express addition, and for nor to express what? Negation. Clear? And B for but to express contrast. Clear? And or for or to express what? Choice. And Y for yet to express like, but, contrast, and the so for so, to express result. And all these conjunctions of coordination, or all these fun boys, should be always, okay, preceded by a comma when they join two independent clauses in my compound sentence, like this. Right. Here also I can replace and with so, and I say, John had a party, comma, so he invited his friends. Alright, he invited his friends. Now in the first way, okay, of forming this type of sentences, look, I used here two things. I used an element, conjunction of coordination, plus a comma, punctuation. There are still two other ways, okay, to join these two simple sentences, okay, into one sentence and form a compound sentence. So, here's number one, using conjunctions of coordination. Also, I can say and write, John held a party. I write here. John held a party. Right. Comma, and he invited what? His friends. Now here, my second element, right, or joining element, is going to replace the fun boys and the comma together. So instead of using a conjunction of coordination, I can use instead only semicolon. Only a semicolon. And write, John had a party, he invited his friends. Here I have joined what? Two always independent clauses, S plus always V and S plus always V. This one also is my independent clause using only punctuation, which is the semicolon. The semicolon. Semicolon. Alright, semicolon. Now, this shows what? That English is based mainly not on coordination always like in Arabic, and also, it's based also on what we call subordination. It means two parts of a sentence, okay, or even two sentences, okay, follow each other through their relatedness in terms of meaning, not only of joined elements. So here is my second, okay, way of forming another what? Or second type of sentence, which is the compound sentence, always. The same type, but with different joining elements. Clear? Joining elements. Still, okay, there is another, okay, way, third way, or third join element that the English also use, because we are following the language, the grammar. Clear? We have to stick to the rules. Alright. John had a party. I write, John held a party. He invited what? His friends. also I have two independent clear clauses joined by what? Joined by a new element or link word. Alright, which is therefore. Clear? Therefore. I put for it semicolon and after it always a comma. Now what is therefore? Therefore is another third, joined element with which we can form also compound sentences. And it's called what? Conjunctive adverb. Adverb. Conjunctive adverb. And we have also a long list of these conjunctive adverbs. It depends always on the logical relationship between the two clauses. We can have therefore for results. We can have however for contrasts. Nonetheless, contrasts. We have therefore, however, also in addition, consequently, nevertheless, nonetheless, moreover, also. So all these, are considered as what? Conjunctive adverbs, and they are used to join two, or even more, always independent clauses to form a compound sentence. For example, we have, if we want to add another clause here, which is independent, we can add it, and join it to the previous clause by means of one of these markers, either conjunction always of coordination or fanboys, or hourly a semicolon below, or by using the appropriate conjunctive adverb preceded by a semicolon and followed by a comma. By a comma. So this is my second type of sentences, which is the compound sentence. The compound sentence equals or consists of what? Two or even more. Even more. Two or even more. For example, I write, John had the party and he invited his friends. Therefore, all of them came. Therefore, here joins also another third independent clause to my previous part of the sentence. Clear? So, the compound sentence is the sentence which consists of two or more independent clauses which are joined either by fanboys, one of the fanboys, conjunction of coordination, or joined also by semicolon instead of this, or joined also by a conjunctive adverb. These are from now on my clues and my markers to form and to find out my compound sentence, which is my second type. Clear? My second type. Alright. Now if you want to write on the board only the structure of this type, we can write here, for instance, A compound sentence equals what? S plus B. As an independent clause, joined to another S plus V as an independent clause, either by one of the fun boys, clear, one fun boys, preceded by a comma, or by only a semicolon, or also by a conjunctive adverb. Conjunctive adverb. And here is my second type of the English sentence. Alright, of the English sentence. Just as a remark about these two structures. To remind you only of what we said earlier. Now, John held a party. He invited his friends. So we said the first way to join the two clauses to form our compound sentence is by using one of the fun boys preceded by a comma. Now, here we have S plus V. Meaningful, it's independent, it's a clause. S plus V. It's meaningful, it's independent. Go. Now, if I remove this one, my subject here, what type is the sentence? And I write, John had a party and invited his friends. So here, this example reminds us of what? Of the first type. Because what do we have? We have only one subject and two verbs together, which are joined by what? By and. So when we have two verbs joined by and, it's only what? A compound predicate. Clear? A compound predicate, and in this case, my sentence is considered as a simple sentence. A simple sentence. If I want to make it compound, I must add here a subject to have a structure of S plus V before and also S plus V after and. Clear? S plus V after and. Alright. So let's turn it into a compound now. Here I have a party and he. Now it has become what? It has become all of it what? A compound sentence. All of it. Now a compound sentence. Sentence. S plus V, then one of these elements, semicolon or from boys, or therefore, and S plus V. And this is simply the structure and the form of my second type of sentences. I mean the compound.